Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I wanted to show you this unboxing video. So ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to be unboxing something very different. If you want to see what it is, watch this video. But, info, if you want to subscribe and join the epic elite of I am a YouTuber, well, of course, subscribe, like, post notifications, and maybe we're gonna hit a giveaway soon. What will it be? What will it be? Guys, all that you'll see, all that information for all that you'll get in today's video. Well, ladies and gentlemen, let's turn the lights on. Oh. Okay. So this is a Figet cube. Yeah, Figet cube, work, class and home. So today we're going to be unboxing it. And of course I have to do everything with one hand. Or put it into my station box. Nah. I'm gonna have to do all this with one hand. Whoa. Whoa. Well, that didn't damage my screen at all. At all protected. Whoa. Did not touch anything. Okay, guys, eyes on me. Don't. There's nothing in the back. So, the Figet cube. It's a very complicated process of doing things. And why? I'll show you that in a minute. So, as you can see, this is how the Figet cube presents when you open it. So, if we're going to take this off, we got this cube. And now I already tested it, and when I opened it, I didn't have this wheel. I'm sorry if this isn't focused. Obviously, I cannot see my my face because I didn't do it in a complete on the back camera. So when you got a phone, this is the screen, and this is the cover in the back where you got all that flashlight and all that. I'm recording through that camera. So yeah, this is a very simple process. This was the spinning thing. As you can see, I can spin this. Whoa! Okay, this is the like moving around. This is the clicker. This is the breathe. This is the spin and click. The buttons, and then that spinner. Guys,